So the PCE information just came out this morning, and that information is something that we need to talk about. If you watched my videos from 2 days ago, I actually discussed this as a crucial data that will determine, where we go in the market, one, but also where the Feds are likely to position themselves as in regards to inflation and interest rate cut and all. So that information, according to CNN, CNBC, all of those, it says here that the inflation gauge the Federal Reserve uses for its 2% target rate rose 0.3% on a monthly basis, which lifted the annual rate to 2.7% from 2.6% and hitting its 6-month high. Energy and gas prices rose in August, and that was a big driver of the monthly increase. However, food prices shot higher as well. Now, all of this, all right, pretty much points to the fact that inflation is still a big deal, and the Feds are going to pay attention to that information. However, we also know that the consensus, or at least from analysts out there, is that they're supposed to cut rates 2 more times this year, one in October and one in December. But that is, something to watch out for, because in as much as inflation came out to be somewhat in line as expected and isn't way out of bounds, it's still a big worry for the Fed. The target is 2%. However, we're not moving in that direction. We're actually trending higher. And because we're trending higher, it means that the Feds will have to take, precautions and may not cut rate as much as expected. The stock market right now is actually looking higher. If I go to CNBC, it's actually showing that it's much, it rose, at least at the last time I checked. So the Dow is up 391 points, the S&P is up 41 points, the Nasdaq is up 87 points, Russell 2000 is up 9 points. So, the stock market is pointing higher, but how long will this last? In my opinion, I feel like this is not a strong indication that we are in the right place, especially as a country and in conjunction with the fact that we are looking to see rate cuts. So yes, we want to see rate cuts, but we cannot see rate cuts or as fast as we want it if inflation keeps going higher. And that is my biggest concern in all of this. And I'm sure this is something that the Feds will also be looking at as they determine if they should cut aggressively or just won't continue with their 25 basis points like they did last week. This is something to watch out for. I just thought to share this information with you. If you found value in this one, again, don't forget to check out the link below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in a future one.